Hi, I'm Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and today I want to talk to you how to do it yourself successfully. I'm talking about projects and things like that around the house. The first thing you want to do is obviously make a list. What are some of the maintenance issues around your house that you want to tackle? I'm actually doing that in my house right now. I'm kind of going from room to room, writing a list of things that I need to be taken care of, and I'm also looking at the outside of my house as well. The next step, once you have gotten your list done, is take a look and see what are the things that you can do yourself. What are the things that maybe you could just Google or watch a YouTube video and do yourself? And then also, what are some of the things that you know that you're going to have to get hired out, whether it's your electrical or plumbing. So that's going to be really important to tackle your list. Next, you'll want to prioritize your list. Are there some things on that list that need to be done ASAP? Or are there just some things on that list that is a wish list that you want to get done sometime in 2020? You'll want to create a budget. Is there a certain amount that you're comfortable spending every month on this list, or maybe every quarter? So go ahead and get a budget in place. And then keep in mind, it's just one project at a time. I know sometimes you can just feel like, okay, I'm gonna do this. Oh, I better go start this. Why don't we just take one step at a time and complete one project at a time? Again, my name is Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and if you have any questions about this video or any topics in the future you'd like for me to cover, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is right below. Thank you so much.